Hi, this is Sandy from Sandy's Backyard Garden. A company named GIGALUMI has sent me some solar rope lights for free to review and try out and see what we think. Here we go. One box of 100 LED soft tube solar lights. And here we have a second box of 100 soft tube solar lights. Let's see what we have. And open, we have like stakes for the solar panels and some instructions on how to set everything up. There's 8 different lighting modes, so that'll be fun. And a solar panel and a rechargeable battery. And it's recommended to place the standard recharge battery replace every 12 months. And then it tells you how they work. There's the solar panel and the cord attached to it. And it's nice and small, so that's good. And we have the tubes of solar lights, and they're really soft and really flexible. And I can't wait to put these up and get the solar batteries charged and try them out for you. Thanks. Here's the second box, and what I didn't show in the first one, each box has a set of 2 lights with 100 lights total and 50 lights on each. So here's the second one. These lights are so pretty. I can't believe how bright they are after just a short charge and little sunlight. We had clouds all day long, and they're still burning bright after midnight. This is amazing. So they did not get much